Now, maybe you wish to carry out some handheld monitoring. So we've already disconnected the preamp cable and the power cable. So I can now take the instrument out once I've removed the flat connector here. The flat connector is quite important. When I disconnect the meter from the flat connector, it knows that it's a handheld sound level meter. When I place it back on, it knows it's a nuisance noise recorder. There's no programming required. I shall just press these two buttons down, pull it out here, and then I can turn my sound level meter that's inside the kit case into a handheld sound level meter. And to do that, just need to retrieve my cradle and preamp. To use your instrument as a handheld meter, all we need to do is remove this bracket to help minimise on reflection, which is why the top of your meter is tapered instead of being flat, again to help minimise reflection, bounce back of those pressure waves or those sound waves. So to do this, all we need you to do is just unscrew the capsule here and slide this off. Once you've done that, it will look like this. And when you're happy, you've removed the cradle, all we need you to do is place the microphone capsule back onto the preamp. Please be careful. And then, we just need you to attach the top here, like so. Screw it on so it's nice and tight, like so. And we have turned your nuisance noise recorder into a handheld environmental meter. And if you are going out and about, of course you're going to use your windshield, or if you like, you can use a slightly larger windshield. And then inside the kit case, just to keep everything protected, we do have this little part here, but this is only for use when you're out and about, taking measurements outside as a handheld meter. And this part simply fits onto here like so. And you've now protected all of the connections from weather and things like that. There's also additional protection should you drop it. So you now have your handheld sound level meter. And the great thing about using our product is that the next steps would be identical to when you're using it as a Trojan. On-off button here, screen comes to life, press the button that says calibrate to calibrate, press the button to start the instrument. You'll see the red circle spinning at the top. That's you, all good to go, all parameters being monitored.